Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your dialer and go to your contact list. Now let's tap on the contact you want to edit and click on this pencil icon. Now we have to tap on this camera icon right here, and here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo from the gallery, and now let's simply tap on the one you want to use. Now we have to crop the photo, and we can do it using our gallery again or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of the square and relocate the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So it's up to you how you want to position it. What's more, we can change the angle, we can rotate the picture. So it's really up to you how you want to see it after saving. So if you are happy with the results, remember to tap on this tick icon. Let's tap on save. And as you can see, it immediately appears. Let's get back to the contact list. It is also visible right here, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.